Which sentence is correct? A. She suggested me to take a break. B. She suggested that I take a break. C. She suggested for me to take a break. Identify the correct form. A. Neither of the boys were present. B. Neither of the boys was present. C. Neither of the boy was present. Choose the correct option. A. He has been living here since 5 years. B. He has been living here for 5 years. C. He is living here since 5 years. Which is the correct sentence? A. He insisted to go home early. B. He insisted on going home early. C. He insisted going home early. Fill in the blank. I wish I dash harder for the exam. A. Work. B. Had worked. C. Have worked. Identify the antonym of candid. A. Frank. B. Secretive. C. Honest. Which sentence is grammatically correct? A. She prevented me to enter the room. B. She prevented me from entering the room. C. She prevented me entering the room. Choose the correct reported speech. Direct. He said, I will go tomorrow. A. He said he will go tomorrow. B. He said he would go the next day. C. He said he would go tomorrow. Fill in. If I dash you, I wouldn't do that. A. And B. Were. C. Was. Pick the correct spelling. A. Embarrassment. B. Embarrassment. C. Embarrassment. Choose the correct passive voice. Active. They are repairing the road. A. The road is being repaired. B. The road has been repaired. C. The road was repaired. Which is correct? A. The news are shocking. B. The news is shocking. C. The news were shocking. Fill in. She was angry dash him for lying. A. On. B. At. C. With. Antonym of sparse: A, thin, B, plentiful, C, weak. Choose the correct form. A, he spoke as if he knew everything. B, he spoke as if he knows everything. C, he spoke as if he is knowing everything. Identify the idiom. Bite the bullet means: A, avoid responsibility. B, face a difficult situation bravely. C, speak without thinking. Which is correct? A, each of the players have a coach. B, each of the players has a coach. C, each of the players having a coach. Fill in: by the time you arrive, we dash dinner. A, will have finished. B, will finished. C, have finished. Synonym of eloquent: A, articulate. B, silent. C, rough. Choose the correct option. A, he denied stealing the money. B, he denied to steal the money. C, he denied that he stole the money. Correct comparative form: A, more elder. B, elder. C, more older. Which sentence is right? A, this is the man whom I spoke to. B, this is the man to whom I spoke. C, both A and B. Antonym of melancholy: A, sadness. B, joy. C, anger. Which is correct? A, the police is here. B, the police are here. C, the police has here. Fill in: it's high time you dash to bed. A, go. B, went. C, gone. Synonym of meticulous: A, careless. B, thorough. C, quick. Identify the correct preposition: she is married dash a doctor. A, with. B, to. C, by. Which is right? A. He is used to get up early. B. He is used to getting up early. C. He used to getting up early. Idiom cut to the chase means A. Avoid unnecessary details. B. Chase someone. C. Run fast. Choose the correct spelling. A. Accommodate. B. Accommodate. C. Accommodate. Which is correct? A. Despite of the rain, we went out. B. Despite the rain, we went out. C. In despite the rain, we went out. Fill in. She would have helped if she dash. A. Knew. B. Had known. C. Knows. Synonym of transient. A. Temporary. B. Permanent. C. Steady. Which is correct? A. He said me the truth. B. He told me the truth. C. He spoke me the truth. Antonym of vague. A. Clear. B. Blur. C. Dim. Fill in. No sooner had we reached than it dash raining. A. Started. B. Starts. C. Had started. Which is correct? A. Less people came this year. B. Fewer people came this year. C. Fewest people came this year. Idiom throw in the towel means A. To quit. B. To fight harder. C. To celebrate. Synonym of abundant. A. Plentiful. B. Scarce. C. Sparse. Correct conditional. If it rains, we dash indoors. A. Stayed. B. Will stay. C. Staying. Which is correct? A. She has less friends than me. B. She has fewer friends than me. C. She has few friends than me. Fill in, she is better cooking than baking. A, at B, on C, in. Antonym of humble: A, modest, B, arrogant, C, simple. Which is correct? A, the jury is divided in their opinion. B, the jury are divided in their opinion. C, the jury were divided in its opinion. Idiom burn the midnight oil means A, sleep early, B, work late into the night, C, waste time. Synonym of prolific: A, unproductive, B, fruitful, C, rare. Fill in, this is the first time I sushi. A, tried, B, am trying, C, have tried. Which is correct? A, 10 miles are long distance to walk. B, 10 miles is a long distance to walk. C, 10 miles have a long distance to walk. Antonym of lethargic: A, energetic, B, lazy, C, weak. Choose the correct sentence. A, he is senior than me. B, he is senior to me. C, he is more senior than me.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.